Hello everyone, welcome back to IJ Odia Spark. In today's video, you will see an Odia sentence and 4 English options. Your task is to find the correct answer. Ready? Let's begin. Number 1. Mate bhoko laguchi. Which one is correct sentence? Correct sentence is option C. I am feeling hungry. Number 2. ଖାଇବା ପ୍ରସ୍ତୁତ କି? Which one is correct sentence? The correct sentence is the food ready? Number 3. ଏବେ ଶୋଇବାକୁ ଯାଅ. Which one is correct sentence? The correct sentence is go to sleep now. Number 4. ଟିକେ ଅପେକ୍ଷା କର. Which one is correct sentence? The correct sentence is wait for a while. Number 5. ମୋତେ ଗୋଟେ ଗ୍ଲାସ ପାଣି ଦିଅ. Which one is correct sentence? The correct sentence is give me a glass of water. Number 6. ମୋତେ କ୍ଷମା କରନ୍ତୁ. Which one is correct sentence? The correct sentence is please forgive me. Number 7. ମୋତେ ସାହାଯ୍ୟ କରନ୍ତୁ. Which one is correct sentence? The correct sentence is option A. Please help me. Number 8. ତୁମେ କ'ଣ କରୁଛ? Which one is correct? The correct sentence is what are you doing? Number 9. ମୁଁ ଏବେ ପଢୁଛି. Which one is correct sentence? The correct sentence is option C. I am studying now. Number 10. ମୁଁ ଜାଣିନି. Which one is correct sentence? The correct sentence is option D. I don't know. ଶୀଘ୍ର ଉଠ. Which one is correct sentence? The correct sentence is option C. Wake up early. Number 12. TV बंद करो. Which one is correct sentence? The correct sentence is option B. Turn off the TV. Number 13. पंखा चलाओ. Which one is correct? The correct sentence is option A. Turn on the fan. Number 14. ବାହାରକୁ ଯାଅ ନାହିଁ. Which one is the correct sentence? The correct sentence is option B. Don't go outside. Number 15. ଘରକୁ ସଫା ରଖ. Which one is correct? The correct sentence is option C. Keep the house clean. Number 16. ମୋ କଥା ଶୁଣ. Which one is correct? Answer me in the comment section. How many answers did you get right? Tell me in the comments. Keep practicing English every day and don't forget to subscribe to IJ Odia Spark. See you in the next video.